Dear students, see the next one from 11th standard, motion in a plane chapter. We know already NCERT example problem number 4.1. The 4.1 is related with rain problem and then to find the rain direction. So the same model, even the same numerical value, that is speed of the rain is given 35 meter per second. But in the 4.1 example, they gave wind velocity. But here instead of wind velocity, one bicycle is moving in the rain. So that bicycle velocity is given, that is 12 meter per second. So here also they are asking the angle. Okay, the numerical value will be the same, but the situation is different. Okay, so we should approach the different concept. Okay, shall we see the question? So please listen. A rain is falling vertically with a speed of 35 meter per second. So you know about the previous knowledge about the 4.1. So directly I can explain now. The rain is falling vertically with a speed of 35 meter per second. So this is speed of rain, that is 35 meter per second. Okay. A woman ride a bicycle with a speed of 12 meter per second in east to west direction. See that? East to west direction. So the rain is falling here. This rain falling. Not only single raindrops. Each and every layer, the rain will fall in this direction. Here, like that. So now one girl is, one woman is riding the bicycle. What is the direction? East to west. East to west means this direction. This direction. For understanding purpose. Okay. So this is known as velocity of bicycle or speed of the bicycle in this direction. Okay. But you have some experience with your father or with your brother. When you're moving in the bike in the rain, so you feel while you moving, whenever you are travel in the rain, okay, that rain will come in front of you or opposite to you or opposed to you. Okay, அப்படி என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க? பைக் நீ குமிஞ்சிக்கிட்டு ஓடுவீங்க, பார்த்துருக்கீங்கல்ல? So the same thing. So your direction is opposite to the rain direction. You feel like that, you know? Okay, just இப்ப rain வந்துட்டு இருக்கு. Just you simply standing on the in the rain. So what do you feel? Rain அப்படியே மேல வந்து விழுகும், பத்து விழுகும். Correct? Suppose, okay, if you are riding the bicycle or otherwise bike, then what do you feel? The rain will be falling on you, then opposite you are traveling. அந்த மாதிரி நினைச்சிருக்கிறீங்க இல்லையா? So what I'm going to say, so here each and every moment the rain will be opposed to you. Okay, so actually your direction and the rain direction, it will be opposed, vertically opposed. அப்ப எப்படி இருக்குன்னா, actually this is velocity of bicycle is opposed. Okay, actually what? Each and every moment you are moving in the rain, இப்ப நீ மூவ் ஆகுள்ள என்ன ஆகுது? ஓகே, நீ மூவ் ஆகுள்ள என்ன ஆகுது? நீ பைக்ல போயிட்டே இருக்கிற, ரெயின் நேராவே விழுகுமா? நோ, இட் வில் பி opposed to you. அப்ப என்ன ஆகுதுன்னா, the resultant velocity of the rain changing to this direction. So the angle is changing here. This is understanding purpose. Just you see that left side diagram for understanding purpose. Because that bicycle direction from east to west for that. But actually the resultant diagram like this, the right side. Left side, for understanding purpose. The right side, this is actually happen. Okay, so actually this is, this is velocity of the rain with respect to bicycle. That is resultant velocity. So we can say that the resultant velocity, that is the velocity of the rain with respect to the bicycle, is equal to velocity of the rain minus velocity of bicycle. This is from the concept what? That is relative velocity concept. But in this question, what they are asking, what is the direction in which she should hold her umbrella? அப்போ umbrella எப்படி பிடிப்பாங்கன்னு கேட்குறாங்க. So she is moving from east to west, Okay, she is moving from east to west. So east to west, she is moving from east to west. So she hold her umbrella like this. You understand? So please listen. She hold her umbrella like this. Okay, so now let us imagine it is that bicycle. Okay, now she is here. So this is the umbrella. Okay, so she is moving from east to west. So she hold her umbrella in this angle. So now they are asking only the direction. That means angle only asking. Okay, so no need to find any magnitude. So here actually what concept is there? Relative velocity concept is there. For that only I write this formula. But here they are asking only the direction. That is the angle only asking. So you know very well by using the tan theta. So tan theta is equal to opposite divided by adjacent. This is the theta. Opposite what? Actually this is a VB. Then adjacent what? That is VR. So it is based on the angle, no need minus sign here. So therefore theta is equal to tan theta, tan value moving that side, that is tan inverse of VB divided by VR. VB is nothing but what? That is bicycle speed. What is the bicycle speed? That is a 12 meter per second. Divide by velocity of the rain, that is the speed of the rain, 35 meter per second. That is 35. So 12 divided by 35, that is a 0.343. Okay, this is like the same as example number 4.1. So you know very well. So see the natural tan value, that is theta is equal to that tan value is 0.343. In what angle? Corresponding angle is what? In 90 degree. அப்ப log book எடுத்து tan 90 ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த ஆன்சர் வரும். Okay students, the same concept but a different approach. I hope you understand this question.